The goal for today is to create a logo that you will put on a bunch of different artwork that you are going to create in the future. So we want to create at least one complete logo, and if you have time, create 2 or 3. Always remember that your logo must have the name of the company, an image, and a slogan. We're going to be working with some Photoshop files that have some special things in them called smart objects. Let's start by going to the Week 3 folder, Week 3 Extras folder that you downloaded today, and opening up the Grades 1 through 3 folder. In here there are 3 different Photoshop files that you can open and check out. I have them open here already. What we're going to do is to start is click on the picture of the layer that says your logo. This will open a separate Photoshop file. Now we just create a new layer, hide the old layer, and bring in one of the icons that we like. We need to quickly mask out the head from the background so we can get rid of that white background. Now we can save this and return to our previous Photoshop file to see that it has been changed. You can do this with all of the Photoshop files that are in your Grades 1 through 3 folder. Then we'll go back to our Smart Object Photoshop file, add in a text box, and put the title of our business. And then we need to add the slogan for our business. Once we're done, we save it and go back to our original Photoshop file to see the changes that we did. For some more advanced material, open the Grades 4 through 9 folder and select either one of these Photoshop files. I have one open here already. They work almost in the same manner as the other ones, as they use smart objects. However, with these type of Photoshop files with the neon lights, we need to make sure that we're finding black and white images. If I open my smart object file, you'll see that they are all black and white. Whatever is black will protrude or come out and be neon. Whatever is transparent will not. So what I have done is I went and found a picture of a bike that's black and white, masked out all the white, made my titles, and put my slogan. If I want to change out, or I can hide the bike and put in a new one. Then I'll just go to File, Save, and look at my new design. If I go back to my original file, you'll see that it is updated. All of the black parts on the cat face are now protruding as neon in the mockup. You can find these online by just Googling whatever you're looking for, black and white logo. Here's the motorcycle I used. Here's a car we could use. And here's a kitten we could use. If you are all done with your logo and you want to search for more fonts to use, you can go to Google and type in free fonts. There are a lot of different web pages that allow you to download free fonts and apply them in Photoshop. So we'll go, extract the file we just downloaded, open the folder, look for the TrueType font face, double click it, and hit install. After that, it will install into your Windows directory, allowing Photoshop to access it. Now it should already be in your Photoshop. And there it is. Now, let's look at some logos from some companies and games so you can get some ideas. You might recognize some of these logos from your favorite games or your favorite gaming companies. This is a great way to come up with ideas to create your logo and make it as best as possible.